What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Kari Beats back with a POV, as y'all can see. And we on the outside with it, man. You know what I'm saying? Something slight, not too crazy. But I'm showing y'all the outside of the whip just to, show y'all, boy, we got somebody over there working. But yeah, man, as y'all can see by the title of the video, we're going to be doing launching my Scat with ball tires. As y'all can see, the tires are
Jesus Christ.
pretty bald, cuz. Bald just like y'all uncles and pops, you know what I'm saying? A lot of y'all parents be bald head or whatever like that, but oh man, I see what's going on, man. Nothing too crazy. Some slight with Olivia with the carbon fiber. Man. Yeah. But yeah, we're gonna get some lunches in real quick. What else? They really much it ain't gonna be too much of a long video, for real. But ain't gonna be too much of a long video, but just giving y'all the outside looks, man. You know what I'm saying? Olivia do look good front and back. Oh yeah, big booty, juicy, looty, ugly. But yeah, that's what's going on, man. I'm gonna give y'all a little warm start. You feel me? Oh yeah, check engine light is off. Oh yeah. Listen to that idle, cut. Y'all can't tell me Olivia don't look good. I mean, she ain't the baddest. But you know what I mean? For simplicity and not doing too much, cuz you can't beat it, cuz. Can't beat it. Daytime running light. Running in the daytime. We out here in Mexico with it. We're finna give y'all boy a few little pulls, you know what I'm saying? And then we're gonna get right into it. I'm gonna cut the camera off though so I can get situated and all that. I may get y'all hands free, or I may not. Probably not, because I'm a little bit lazy, but I'll give y'all that content, man. Trying to stay in good spirits. You feel me? Sometimes I be getting discouraged by YouTube, bro, but you feel me? Because I can't be how I really want to be, or, you know what I'm saying, have the type of bread I want to have, but I can't have it. You feel me? But I'm trying to build a foundation, and this is just fun for me to do, you know what I'm saying? So, y'all boys just rock with it, man. Memories for me. Down the line, I get older and go back and look, say, dang, bro, I really did that, or I really did that, like, it's really crazy. But yeah, man, I'm finna go ahead and, you know what I'm saying, get to it. But I'll turn the camera back on momentarily. You feel me?
5 minutes later.
All right, let's get it together, regular. But yeah, I'll see, man. We in the wheel, AC on full blast, and turn that off real quick though, and roll the window down just so y'all can hear Olivia do her little thing. I ain't gonna go too crazy, but we're just gonna do some launches, manual launches, not with launch control. And we're gonna go in different modes. Probably try some with traction on, some with traction off. Or like traction and sport. We're gonna go on my custom mode, just sport mode. And we're gonna launch on ball tire, man. See what happens. You know what I'm saying, on ball tire. But we know what Scats do with fully thread, brand new, out the box plastic. You feel me? Tire, so only can imagine what's finna happen right now. But we're gonna do it with one hand. And I'm not gonna put it in paddle shift mode. I'm just gonna do it in drive, you feel me? Paddle shift mode, I can kind of control it better. Cause you can shift it when you're ready. You feel me? When it's spinning. But we're gonna do a little light lunch, like a little 1500. Oh man. 3, 2, 1, go. I ain't gonna lie, I messed up. I'm not gonna cap. But I just went in and went with it. Cause I be trying to remember. I be doing it like I do a paddle shift with them on, bro. Like, it's so weird doing it in just automatic drive, like, cause it don't, you know what I'm saying? It gonna upshift if you let out the gas just a little bit. So that's my fault. That don't count. We're gonna do this again. So hold on. And y'all gonna see everything, but we're gonna do this again, cause that's my fault. That's my fault, cuz. Man, but these cars so long, but only time you could do a U-turn Neo is in a parking lot. I would do one going back, but boy, it ain't a good idea. We're just gonna come back down, Oh, yeah. I still got the air on. I thought I turned it off. My fault. But yeah, we in Mexico with it. You know what I mean? We're gonna try that one more time now. Try that one more time. I ain't doing nothing too crazy. I ain't trying to bring no top speed or no neither. I'm just trying to, you know what I'm saying, show y'all boy how that thing do. This time I'm going to stomp it. See, I be trying to do it like if I'm really trying to get down on it, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying, walking nigga down real quick, you know what I'm saying? But, no, we ain't going to do that. This is video purposes. So, I know y'all boy want to be entertained. You feel me? And the whip go insane to the membrane, ugly ass. So we gonna do that. Ooh, my backup skills so hard, man. Y'all boy don't know nothing about that. With no camera, I don't even be looking at that bit half of the time. Hold on, let me get on the starting line. All right, let's try this again. In drive, 1500 RPM. This time I'm gonna smash it. This time. Oh my bad, I'm tripping. Y'all saw that bitch oh man. And I still went to the floor though. Like that was like about, I ain't gonna lie, 75-80% throttle, no cap. I'm just so used to I don't really floor my car, but like put it to the floor, I don't do that. Like this car rarely, when I say rarely, bro, this car rarely get like wide open throttle, bro. Like that mug so rare. Boy, that Beamer came around the corner like them boys. Better go on, cuz. Get your ass wet by that pack scat, nigga. Get your ass wet by that scat pack, nigga. That be probably like, why that man just made a U-turn, yo? I'm finna get you. Cool, what you doing back here, cuz? In Mexico. There's nobody allowed but me. Oh yeah. This is my barbecue. I started this. If you know, you know. You know what I mean? Come, I don't know, but ain't nowhere to go back there. Unless they don't open the gates on your ass. There don't be no traffic back there, bitch. This nigga just back there, bitch. Looking stupid as. Look at him. Man, the gate closed, I ain't know. Yeah, cuz. You thought it was a clubhouse back there, bitch, or something? Cuz, I thought it was a clubhouse up there, bitch. Let me see what cuz talking about. Oh, he going, man. Cuz I'm finna go back there and get freaky. These boy here freaky out there, bitch. Man, look, now he wanna come back now, man. Damn. I be talking about, bro. Get your Applejack back out. Man, cuz, going on, cuz. Damn. Nigga get a new tag, you don't know how to act. Nigga get a new tag like they invisible or something, or invincible. I don't care about that 540i or whatever that is. That be ain't no X6 M, nigga. Let me stop. Lee cuz got a new whip. Lee cuz ain't on feet, you know what I mean? Oh, alright, let's try this again. That wasn't that. Alright, let's go in regular sport mode with traction and sport. Now we finna be talking. What? Now we finna be talking. This time we're gonna do a little bit more than 15. We're gonna do like 18. Woo-hoo-hoo. Nigga holding that big. Nigga holding that big, cuz. I wasn't trying to, you know, I wasn't trying to do that. I wasn't trying to, like, you know what I'm saying? See, now my car smell like chicken, bro. I don't like that, bro. I wasn't trying to do that. It more just smell like straight boing, yoing, yoing. I don't like that, bro. Damn. See what I be doing for y'all, bro? So, I don't like put the traction in with sport. It ain't even all the way off. And that bitch just... Boy, if you don't... Crazy. I wasn't even trying to do all that, bro. I'm gonna give y'all boy one more, man. And I ain't doing that no more, though. Fact, my top, y'all saw my top, bro. That bit bald. That bit bald, bro. That bit balder than Crawford Jamal. And that nigga ain't even bald. Yeah, he look like it, that low ass haircut. That's a nigga that got a lead haircut, but Jamal Crawford, we got a lead head. Lead head, lead eye, big ass nose, lead leg, long ass arm, lead teeth. That big a who though? Alright, one more, we gone. Then one more for the road. This video ain't gonna be that long. I told y'all I ain't out here with all that. I ain't out here for all that. But we finna, you feel me? Yeah, boy, a little different type of video. You know what I'm saying? Versus just being in the streets or traffic. You know what I'm saying? Wait till I get some tires though. Show y'all boys a real show, nigga. Cause y'all know I can get wiki, nigga. Y'all boy know I can get wiki, nigga. Alright, we're gonna put it in track. For those who got a big back, you know what I'm saying? And we're gonna turn traction in the street. Cause I ain't trying to, you know what I'm saying? Trying to be discreet out there, bitch. This time we're gonna have paddle shifters on though, you feel me? Let me show y'all boy what it is. Watch a real lunch now, what it is. Can I get a downshift? Can I get another one? Hold on. Slow down. What it? Damn. Shotty. Stick 'em. It never get old, cuz. I don't even drive my car in track like that. That boy never get old, cuz. Look at them boy looking. Yeah, boy, that's a real deal Holyfield orange peel face ass. But yeah, man. That gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you are new, turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. Let me give y'all boys another outside view of the car, cause I'm gonna turn the video off after this. And I don't, you know what I am. But yeah, you feel me? Nice and sexy. Nice and sexy. Let me see my tire, man. Damn. I mean, they're already bald. I can't get mad. Look at that. No! Good grief. This tire good. I know I need alignment. But yeah. Yeah, man. That's gonna be it. That's all, folks. And make sure y'all boy keep God first, keep him in the mix. For all my religious folk, man. Y'all boy stay prayed up, stay blessed, stay humble, you feel me? Chase your dreams. Don't let nobody tell you no when you get discouraged, man. For my religious folk, pray, bro. Keep that motivation. Watch something that motivates you. Talk about something that motivates you, or just keep motivating yourself. Telling you that you're gonna get whatever you're gonna get. Manifest, bro. I manifested the constant and I want a haircut, but at the same time, realistic. So I kind of like, you know what I'm saying, you gotta have your money and coins in order. Then, you know what I'm saying, you manifest what you want. You can still manifest it before you get there. You feel me? But that's how I do. But anyway, like I said on the end of my video, man, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace. My heart is cold as Wisconsin. Ice. Nigga, I'm smooth like Johnson. Lotion. You already know how I'm coming. I treat her like trash, so I dumped her. In them sheets, I am a monster. She be screaming like a concert. I point them out just like a hunter. They call you a G when you younger. My heart is cold as Wisconsin. Ice. Nigga, I'm smooth like Johnson. Lotion. You already know how I'm coming. I treat her like trash, so I dumped her. In them sheets, I am a monster. She be screaming like a concert. I point them out just like a hunter. They call you a G when you younger.